System.io to perform tasks automatically? In this video, I'll show you how to create an automation rule in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Log into your System.io account and open the funnel or page where you want to add automation. Scroll down to the Automation Rules section and click Add Rule. Step 2. Choose a trigger. For example, select Funnel Step Form Subscribed if you want the automation to run when someone submits a form. Step 3. Next, click Add Action and choose what should happen automatically. A common option is Subscribe to Campaign, which enrolls the contact into an email sequence. Step 4. Select the campaign you want to use and save your automation rule. Step 5. Test the setup by submitting the form yourself and confirm that the automation works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully created an automation rule in System.io. Ready to build your own funnels? You can get started with System.io using the link in the description below. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab for more practical tips.